Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is our end of the month PR/recent purchases video that I do every single month. And I'm really excited about today's video. We've got a ton of really cute pieces that I am so excited to share with you. Welcome if you are new. My name is Krystal with a K, and this is a lifestyle channel. I put out 2 videos a week. And at the end of every month, I do a PR haul. However, we are starting out on the first of the month this time because I lost track of my schedule and things got messed up, and I apologize. But if you are new here, normally it's at the end of the month. Enough rambling, let's get into it. So first I'm going to start with this package. Now I do have the roll behind me, but then I also have a few packages sitting over here and then all of this. So I'm going to talk really fast, or as fast as I can. God, what the heck? That is like reinforced tape. How did they... Okay, let me go from the other side. Okay, so in this little box, we have got women's undies. So there are 7 pairs of women's panties in this little pouch. You can choose different colors, like colors groups. I went with the more fall color neutral. Now these are high-waisted. They're very stretchy. They have a scallop detail along the top of the band and kind of like right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's just a subtle little scallop design that make them really cute. These are a size medium. They do cover the entire tush, so you do not have to worry about little cheeky bits hanging out. Again, here are just the last few of this color combo, and then the white ones. Again, these are a size medium. They fit wonderfully. They sit nicely on the hips. Definitely recommend. These are not cotton, so if you like cotton, these are not cotton. I don't know what this material is. It's very it's kind of like silk, but then it's kind of like jersey in a way. I don't know what the composition of it is, but they're very stretchy and very comfortable to wear. Now, kind of sticking with the undergarment situation, I have these right here. And just by looking at them, you would think that these are your everyday pantyhose or tights. In fact, they are fleece-lined leggings to keep you warm in the winter and still look cute by wearing like a skirt. And these, I don't know what this material is that makes them look like pantyhose, but it is insane. So the fleece goes all the way down to right at the ankle. So the fleece ends about right here, and then you would put your foot in this part, right? It's amazing. Like, this part fits as if it's a regular tight, but then they're warm and cozy and fuzzy. Actually, I put them on whenever they first come in to do my Amazon video for them, and I was like starting to sweat. Again, I'm in Florida. These are so cute. I cannot wait for whenever, and you will probably never hear me say this again, but I can't wait for it to get cooler so that I can wear these. I'm so excited. Now, if you've been following for a while, you'll know that I have recently been working with a brand called Urio. I've already done a couple of videos, just like dedicated Urio videos, and they have sent over 2 extra pieces. I will link those videos below. Both of them are different with different products. And I have 2 extra items that they have sent that didn't come in time for those videos. But I did want to go ahead and talk to you about these. These leggings are literally like, listen. Can you hear that? I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up. These are your standard leggings, like workout athletic leggings. They are so thick. The waist is not the super high waist, but it's definitely a higher waist. It has a thick waistband, and then it also has the cinch right here in the tush area to make the booty pop. These I wore to Pilates, and they were amazing, and I cannot recommend that brand enough. And if you're looking for dupes of high-end leggings / athleisure wear, go check out Urio. They have such cute, like, fashionable / athleisure wear that is just so good. This is the second pair. These are flare leggings. I am coming around to saying that, slash yoga pants. High waist, a really wide waistband. And these have the little pockets with the button. And yes, it is a functioning pocket and button. These are thinner, okay? So where those are super compression, these are not necessarily that style. They're not gonna like suck you in, but they are very flattering on with the cut of how they're made. They just look so nice on. They just skim the body. They're very lightweight, but these are so cute even to wear just as like regular pants. So cute. You can style them up. You can dress them up or down and still be comfortable and cute. Next up is this graphic t-shirt that is just so freaking cute. I love this. I took some photos of it the other day to share over on my Amazon storefront. And this just gives like rock and roll, streetwear. I don't even know. It's just so cool. And it comes in different color combinations. As you can see, it's like, it's got this mouth with the teeth, and I think that's like gold teeth. It fits oversized, but it comes in like white and red, and then I think white and pink, and then I think there's a pink option with the gray, if I'm not mistaken. Like always, everything will be linked below, but yeah, this is really cute and fun. I styled it with a pair of black skinny jeans and a pair of black pointy toe pumps, and it was so edgy, so rock and roll, so my style. Next up is a polo style with 4 buttons, long sleeve. This color is really pretty. It's from the brand Easy Gala. Sorry, there are 6 buttons and they all work properly. Material is super stretchy. Also, here is the cuff. It's very long. And when I say very long, I don't know if you can see. No, you can't. Okay. It comes about to like mid-tush on me. So, I mean, it's not a crop top. So if you're one of those people who are sick of the crop tops and are just ready for regular shirts to come back, this is it. Also, this right here, same thing basically. I'll link this one too. I actually shared this one I think in last month or the month before PR haul. And so, but if you're looking for shirts that are actually full length, look at these. This comes in so many different colors. It's so soft, and this is definitely going to be a great color to wear for the fall. Next up is this really pretty sheer floral button down. Seriously, one of my favorite pieces from this entire haul, and I got it in a medium, and unfortunately it does run small because I love this top. It is so cute on. It's giving like country western in a way, but I love whenever companies do the floral on top of like a black or like a navy blue. I think it's just so different compared to your lighter spring colors. This is definitely a fall floral, but it's so cute, and unfortunately I'm probably gonna have to donate it or give it to somebody else because it is so tight around the shoulder area. So if you are looking into this, I recommend. I will probably buy this, to be completely honest. Even though this was gifted, I will probably go and purchase this in a larger size just because it's so good. It's so cute. It's right up my alley. It's sheer. If you've been hanging around for a while, you know I love a good sheer top, and this is so different. I don't have anything like this in my closet, and so I was really sad whenever I put it on and it was a little too tight. But that's the breaks of shopping online and not knowing exactly what to get. But that's why I'm here. It's to tell you, order this in a size up because it does run a little small. Now this next piece up is very just cute and functional and practical and all the things. I love this dress. I don't even think I showed you. It's a dress that hits right at the knee, very conservative. It has this neckline that's kind of unique. It's not a square and it's not a V-neck. So it does like this. It looks very like elegant on. It's so flattering. This color is so beautiful. I love this turquoise blue. It's very soft. That's all I can say. It's very soft, very smooth. Also, leaving out one of the most important parts. It has built-in shorts with 2 pockets. So that is awesome. It comes in multiple different colors. This is going to be so perfect for fall. Now, this dress is right up my alley. I have loved leopard print for so long. It kind of went out for a little while, but it's back in full swing and I'm so excited. This is a long sleeve I'm gonna say about knee length. I have not worn it out just yet. I'm probably gonna wear this Sunday to church, but it does hit right about the knee. It does have an elastic cinched waist to give you some shape. The neck is a high neck with this little ruffle, very cute. The back has 2 tie strings. Here is the cuff with the elastic at the wrist. And this is the bottom with this like pleated little ruffle. I cannot even explain to you how excited I am to have this in my closet. And we have another leopard print. So this is a blazer. Now I did intentionally order a size up in this. So this is a size large and it gives you that oversized look. The fit is great because I want the oversized look. Actually, I paired it with that like with this white t-shirt back here. I styled it with that for a couple of photos. It's so cute. So let's talk about the blazer itself. It's very thin. It's not double lined. There are no buttons at the wrist. This is it. There's no little cuff or button or anything like that. There is one button right here, one single button to like close it together. Here is the back side and it's pretty long. On me, it hits, I'm going to say right at the high thigh. So on the back, it's probably going to hit right at the bottom of the tush. I'm 5'5", and again, this is a large because I did go up a size. But yeah, I think if I had gone with a medium, it probably would have been a little snug in the shoulders, which is kind of what I was scared of anyways. It depends on how you want to wear it and like how your personal style is. I like this. I like some things oversized, and I knew whenever I saw this as an option, I wanted this in an oversized size instead of like a normal slim fit. So yeah, I think it's so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. It's going to be cooling down before too long, and this is going to be perfect and fit in seamlessly in my closet. Now I know I did a dedicated video for Trary. If you didn't see that, I was sent 2 other pairs of shoes. I will link that below, but since I had gathered so many from them, I decided to do a dedicated video. So if you saw that, you can fast forward through this part. I'm just sharing with everyone who didn't see that video. This pair is a pair of black pumps, just your classic traditional standard pumps. I think they're so cute. The quality of these is amazing. I love this extra little mesh. Can you see that? Lining around it, and it gives it just that little extra detail. It's so cute, very comfortable. I'm flat-footed, and these are still very comfortable for me to wear for a while. The heel is not extremely high, but it's about a 2.5 or 3 heel height. Again, very comfortable. Size 7, true to size. I am a size 7. The bottom, I have worn these, so just keep that in mind while you're looking at this. The bottoms have this like grippy, almost like a, is that rubber? I don't know what that is. So that you're not like slipping and sliding around. So cute, pretty inexpensive. I'm gonna just say that. Trary shoes are pretty inexpensive. Also, they have a couple of like dupes for like designer brands, and I was like, okay, I might need to check into those. But I'm talking like between $20 and $30, $20 and $40. That's very inexpensive for good quality. So the next pair is the Black Mary Janes. These are really cute. They are patent leather. There are 2 straps, one at the ankle, one across the foot, both with little buckles. The same grippy stuff on the bottom to keep you from sliding. And they are a size 7 and they fit perfectly. I would say definitely true to size. Also, their shoes come in, they do come in different colors, but most of the colors are like your neutrals. So you've got your blacks, your browns, creams, whites. I think there's some beiges in there. I think there might be a couple of styles that are like your one-off color, like a blue or something like that. But for the most part, they're all very neutral. Give them a try. Just like how I was talking about Urio, check out Trary. They are so good. The quality of these shoes, this is my 4th and 5th pair of shoes that they have sent me, and I have no complaints about any of them. And I don't know, I'm here to tell you it's a good brand. The quality is there. It's not going to like completely blow the budget because they're very inexpensive. I'm talking like less than $50. That's really good. So anyway, sorry to go on that little rant about Trary, but whenever I'm passionate about certain things, I just talk on and on and on and on about them. Now I do have another pair of shoes. These are not from Trary. This, I don't even know the name of the brand. I would have to look it up. There's no name on the box, so I don't really know. But these are a pair of leather combat boots. I put these on the other day for my like Amazon stuff. I don't know if they're real leather, but these are so darn cute. They have a square toe. I don't have anything like this in my closet. Not only are they lace up, but they also have a zipper on the side so that you don't even have to like untie things. I am a combat boot person. I've got several pairs of boots in my closet, and I gravitate more towards this style boot than my other boots. This particular style, it comes in, I'm going to say like 4 different like shade color variations. So I went with the black leather with the red sole. I think there's like 4 different ones that I was seeing online, but this one was my favorite. This is the one that I really just didn't have anything like this, and I think it's really the red, the pops of red, that really kind of got me on this. But it feels really nice. I'm super excited to style these this fall and winter. Here we go with Cirkul. Cirkul has sent over 4 new sips: pumpkin spice, honey crisp apple, blueberry tea, and peach mango. So I'm gonna have to go and get Ellie so we can test these out. I know for a fact that honey crisp apple is one of our favorites, and the blueberry tea is one of our favorites. Only one I think that I have not tried is the pumpkin spice. They always ask me every month which ones I want to try, and I always just tell them to let me try your newest flavors. And this is one of their newer ones for fall. You can find Cirkul in places like Walmart, Sam's Club, drinkwalmart.com, and on Amazon. I will link some of their starter kits in the description box. If you want to try it out, it'll be there. I also have a package from INFLUENSTER. They have sent over some teas from Lipton. What is this? Okay, Lipton Black Tea Discovery Collection. That's neat. Okay, so we have English breakfast and peach mango. Oh, how funny is that? I have a peach mango from Cirkul and a peach mango from INFLUENSTER. How did we manage that? Now, I have never tried any of these 2 flavors. I normally stick with the chamomile, the green tea, peppermint, spearmint. And so these are going to be interesting to try. Maybe I'll have to do like a TikTok or something. Be sure to follow me over on TikTok because I do different things over there. And I usually share everything across all the platforms, but most of the time I share the one-off type stuff over on TikTok. I don't know, I just feel like it's a more casual vibe over there. And so we may do a taste test over on TikTok with these. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And what did you think of my haul? Also, I will link all those other videos below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have lots more content coming. We have a couple more dedicated partnerships. Yeah, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for following along. I know we've gained a lot of followers over the past couple of weeks, and I really appreciate you. If you have any questions about anything, do not be afraid to ask any questions. I hope that you guys have a wonderful November, heading into Christmas, if you can believe it. We've only got 2 more months of this year, and I guess that's it. I will talk to you later. Bye.